Morning everybody! Stick around at the end of this video for a surprise snippet. Hello guys, we are back. It is April 20th and we are working on exponents here, multiplying exponents. Now remember, okay, the product rule. Okay, product is what we get when we multiply something. So whenever we multiply exponents that have the same base, the base, right, that number that is being multiplied is the same, all we have to do is add up the exponents, okay? So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to help you guys with this middle column, and I'm going to leave this first and third column for you guys to do by yourselves, okay? Because once you get the hang of this, it should be a little bit easy, okay? So right now we have 8 to the 5th times 8 to the 3rd. Okay, so we know that we need to take that exponent, which is 5, okay, and 3, and we're going to add them together. Okay, 5 and 3 equals 8. So now I move my base, which was 8, and my new exponent is this 8. So I have 8 to the 8th. So that's my answer here, okay? So you can see we added up these small numbers, 5 and 3, got 8, and that becomes our new exponent. Okay, now how did I get 8 here? That was always my base. All right, let's move down here. Okay, you can see my base here is 3. All right, and we're going to add up these exponents. We have 3 to the 8th and 3 to the 3rd. So 8 plus 3 equals 11. Okay, so what is my answer? My base is 3. My exponent is 11. Very good, guys. Great job adding the exponents and keeping your base. All right, next. We come down here, base is 2. Remember, base has to be the same. We will start doing some of these where the base is not the same. Okay, and when we do that, we cannot just do this add method. Okay, so we have to do 2 to the 7th and 2 to the 2nd. Okay, so 7 plus 2, those are my two exponents here. My base is this big 2 right there. 7 plus 2 equals 9, so my exponent equals 9. You see how once you get in the groove of this, it becomes easy. Okay, multiplication just becomes addition. All right, so we have 10 as our base. We know that just by looking here. And my exponents are 10 to the 6th and 10 to the 8th. Okay, we do 6 plus 8. That equals 14. Okay, so my exponent down here is 14. Okay, real easy. Didn't have to multiply anything. We just added these exponents together, this 6 and this 8. Okay, all right, here, nice big number. Okay, same thing though. 30 is the base, all right? 20 plus 5, okay? That equals 25, all right? So 30 to the 25th power. That would be a fun one to figure out on the calculator. Woo! All right, now 5 to the 7th times 5 to the 3rd, all right? We're gonna take these exponents, we're gonna add them up, equals 10, all right? Then down here, my big old base is 5, and my new exponent is 10. Alrighty, last one we're gonna do here, and then I'm gonna leave the first and third column for you guys. Our base is 7, okay, and we're gonna add 11 plus 3. Oh no, that's 2. 11 plus 2, okay, and that's 13. So my new exponent is 13. All right, hopefully that helps you see the product rule. The product rule, what is the main basics to it? Has to have the same base, okay? Whenever we're multiplying exponents that have the same base, okay, that big number is the same, we can add the little numbers, the exponents, and that becomes our new exponent. So instead of having to multiply each exponent out and then multiply them against each other, all we have to do is add the exponents up. And it makes one big mega exponent. All right, guys, so hopefully you had a fun time with this, and I'll see you next time. Hey guys, we worked on the area of triangles last Friday. Remember, base times height divided by 2, all right? And something just as important as area is understanding perimeter. Okay, now perimeter, just like a square, is the distance around, okay? Or a rectangle, quadrilateral, the distance around. So now we don't have to worry about base times height, but we do have to add up every side. We have to find out the distance all the way around this triangle, okay? So the way we do it, all right, is we add up every side. Now here we'll have 3 sides, okay? So a little bit different than a quadrilateral, all right? We'll have 8 plus 7 plus 6, okay? So 8 plus 7 plus 6, okay? All right? If we do 8 plus 7 plus 6, I know 8 plus 7 gives me 15. And then 15 plus 6 is 21. So 21, and then I have to have centimeters. Okay? Now, not centimeter squared because it's perimeter. Okay? It's not talking about square units inside. It's talking about just the distance around. Okay? So 21 centimeters. Okay? All right, I'm only going to do this middle row for you guys because I think you can handle these ones on the end if you want to, and these 3 are all you have to do if you want. Okay, so down here we have a couple different sides, 6, 6, and 6. Okay, so if I want to write this like our algebra equations, okay, I'll do it one step at a time. 6 plus 6 is 12. I write the rest down here. Okay, 12 plus 6 is 18, so x equals 18, okay? 18, what is my unit? Centimeters, okay? Centimeters, and it's not squared because it's perimeter. Only area is centimeters squared. All right, down here I have 9 plus 7 plus 7, so 9 plus 7 plus 7 equals x. One at a time, 9 plus 7, put that in my calculator. I find out that it is 16. 16 plus 7 equals x. Okay, when I put 16 plus 7, I get 23. Okay, so x is 23. All right, what did I forget? Centimeters. Got to have a unit, guys. Okay, you could be talking about 23 miles. That's a lot bigger than 23 centimeters. Okay, so perimeter is adding up the sides of a triangle. Okay, now area we did Friday, and that is the height times the base divided by 2. All right, need to know both and the difference between them. Area is the distance, or the space inside, and perimeter is the distance around. Have a good day, guys. Hey guys, it's Mr. Alt. Did you enjoy that video? You finished your work for the day and wish there was just something else you could do? Our Microsoft Teams page, available on your computer or on your phone or tablet, and come to the left and click enrichment opportunities, and there's lots of extra things here for acting, art, science, history. You'll see our Jeopardy games, lots of fun stuff to do if you finished your work for the day. It's extra, so it's not mandatory, but it is there for you. Okay, enrichment opportunities under Mr. Alt's class. Have a good one.